Unlock your digital potential with FastTechSkills.
Start your engine!
Is your website playing hide and seek on the second, third, or even the fourth page of Google's search results? Today, we're diving into the solution to this prevalent problem. It is no secret that appearing on the first page is a game changer. The magic happens when your website meets Google's ranking criteria. Firstly, focus on search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is like the language that Google speaks. When your website speaks this language fluently, Google rewards it with a higher ranking. Secondly, create high-quality relevant content. Google's algorithm loves content that adds value to its users, so aim to create content that is informative, engaging, and unique. Thirdly, build strong backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more quality backlinks your website has, the more Google trusts your site, and the higher it ranks. Fourthly, optimize your website's user experience. Google rewards websites that are easy to navigate, fast to load, and mobile-friendly. Lastly, utilize social media platforms. Sharing your content on social media platforms increases its visibility, which can lead to more backlinks and higher rankings. Remember, getting on the first page of Google is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires time, patience, and consistency, but the rewards are worth it.
Well, today might just be your lucky day. Welcome to the world of FastTechSkills, a platform that embodies the spirit of digital innovation where your potential to grow is only limited by your imagination. FastTechSkills is a digital haven for those who dare to dream and have the courage to chase those dreams. It's the pit stop for those who want their websites to roar with victory on the digital racetrack.
Tires. Yes. With a side of hydraulics.
Ditch the masks and low ranks. Embrace an honest, unapologetic, and real partnership with us. Let's drive your website's ranking to the top together.
Search engine optimization, or SEO, is not just a skill. It's a lifestyle for those who love to decode the digital puzzle and navigate through the complex web of algorithms, keywords, and rankings. It's a game for the patient, the persistent, and the passionate. For those who can communicate with clarity and precision, who don't get frustrated easily, and who have an analytical mind that can experiment and adapt. FastTechSkills is not just about teaching you SEO. It's about helping you harness the power of the digital world to earn a living. It's about empowering you with the skills you need to make a difference. It's about helping you master the art of SEO so you can command the virtual space like a true champion.
Our team of SEO experts are not just skilled, but also passionate about what they do. They're ready to fuel your digital journey with their expertise. Why settle for less when you can have the best? With FastTechSkills, you're not just a client, you're part of the team.
So, are you ready to join the ranks of the digital warriors? Are you ready to conquer the digital realm with your newly acquired SEO skills? FastTechSkills is here to guide you every step of the way. Check out our portfolio at fasttechskills.com or connect with us on LinkedIn. Remember, in the world of SEO, it's not just about racing to the top, it's about staying there. It's about constantly adapting, evolving, and learning. It's about being unapologetically real in a world that's often masked and ranked. With FastTechSkills, you can learn fast and earn faster. You can climb higher and stay there. So, gear up. The digital race is on, and you're in the driver's seat.
Connect with us and experience the difference we bring. So, are you ready to turn your digital dreams into reality? Join FastTechSkills today and unlock your full digital potential.
FastTechSkills is your pit stop for success. Unleash the power of authenticity and steer your website to victory. Because in the world of SEO, the fast and the skilled always win.
And I think it has real promise for us for today's world and also the future.